Hello, good afternoon guys. I'm here with my mini garden. I just rearranged my mini garden guys. Too much mess kasi. Kumusta ang lahat? Too much mess my garden. I have too much. I need to rearrange guys. All totally messy, all messy. I don't know what happened. My aloe vera is jumping and jumping. Ay, mamaya. Let me decide. Mixing with my old leaves. This one, yeah. Because recently already the rain is stuck. I need to continue my. This is a chili, guys. A chili. Thanks God, my pumpkin already grow up. Now I have a pumpkin. Pumpkin is ready. My aloe vera. Aloe vera is all died because of too much heavy rain. Every day raining. That's why I need to. I think that's why I need to put my aloe vera in the hiding area. This is my chili, guys. Chili. I need to put that beside my aloe vera because too much rain, it will come. Again, very problem. Yeah, this is the side. And see all my gallon. Ay, nako. Nakapoy dito ba? Kumusta? How are you all? Everything will be okay? Kumusta ang lahat? Now, life of a wife. Stay at home. Hopefully I can work. My God. But how I can work? That's the problem. How I can work. How I can work, guys. Nice to be work so that you have your own money. You have your own income. You guys know? It's nice. I think this we're in. Ay, yep. Ay, ganda. Like a jungle na may mini garden, guys. Because I did not come here because it's too much raining. Already I saw that I wanted to clean. It's totally messy. See guys, I'll show you. My papaya when Bella gave me this one is very tiny. Sorry, my hands because it's dirty. It's very tiny. I don't know this is girl or boy. See? There is the leaves or what? If girl, okay. If boy, I don't know. I think if boy, you need to make it whole from here and then to ask for my husband, huh? Because before he doing this one. See guys, my pumpkin! Actually, when I buy pumpkin, the seed, I keep it 6 pieces. But unfortunately, 2 already is alive. This is the one. Pumpkin. And then my bell pepper. And then chili. You know already here in Nepal, chili is life for the Nepali. And then my alogbate. Thank you, Lord. See? How many years I plan, guys? When I'm here, I'm always trying, I think almost 3 years, trying hard to plan for this. Malunggay, alogbate. But unfortunately, thank you, Lord. Now, how many times also I pick up and I eat. And here, as usual, your chili. I told you guys, chili is life here in Nepal. Here, see too much chili I put. This is capsicum. And this is the orange. I don't know when it will give me the fruits. It's long time. And then all chili. Chili, all chili. And then my guava. See my guava? Before we eat already this one piece, but the inside is color pink. The inside is color pink. And then as usual, my lemon, guys. Here. I think you already saw my chili. See, they have already flower, guys. The chili, they have already flower. And your trolley, lemongrass. I keep lemongrass. And then I recently picked up the kangkong. And yesterday also I picked up the, what do you call this one? The sweet potato leaves. I pick up also. And then all it's here. Hopefully this is apple, guys, no? If apple, oh my God, Sophia, very happy if apple. You can touch, you can catch it. Hopefully it's apple. Yeah, oh, too much. Now here, all the waste of the kitchen, egg cells, all the veggies, banana leaf. I keep it this area so that it will make it fertilizer soon. And then I change my trapal because now it's too much heavy rain. And then it come inside. Inside is totally messy, guys, because this is my husband working. This is small area. As you know that my husband is a AC technician and then washing machine, refrigerator, electrician. That is his work. That's why tomorrow I will clean up in this room. See here. He has already easy to be fixed, not yet done. Now he's on busy. He has another work for that. While he's working, while Sophia also in school, and then also I'm cleaning with my garden. Because it's like a jungle before. Now, thank you, Lord. And then time check is already 1 o'clock, guys. Imagine, I did not yet eat my lunch. Supposed to be I eat lunch 11 o'clock. But unfortunately, today is busy day, productive day. That's why cleaning and I'm almost done. I'm done already. And then the outside also. I want to show you also my outside, guys. Actually, I put it also more of the flower. This is my outside. I put this one cactus. I think one day it's already down because due to the heavy rain. Now I put this cactus. And then this kind of flower. I think anywhere this natural flower. And then I don't know that this name, but my husband said this is for the mosquito far away. No, if you plant this one in the house, mosquito is not coming. I don't know. We'll see. Still mosquito I see. And then here you go, all my plant. And then this is big tree. Already 2 years. Actually, there are no more flower because all the neighbors pick up the flower here. This is for the prayer. Doing for the prayer, the flower. And then this white flower. And then purple flower also. I keep it that one here, guys. Look, guys, small. And then inside, my mini garden from inside. Hoy! My mini garden inside. See, look guys. Not the one. Here you go. Our tiny house. That side, all the side one, I keep it the plants only itself. And then some also I transfer. See, like this chili. This is from inside the mini garden. And then I transfer here. So guys, my chili. See guys, another again. One of my neighbor, he cuts this crow because as for him, the cat is eaten. And then my husband, he take. I have already 2 parrot. And then I have 4 dog. Oh my God, I think monkey is balanced in my house, guys. Become zoo now. I told to my husband, I think you are the one monkey now because you're always catching. Another again, guys. I told him to, I will release this crow. And then he asked me, don't ever touch. That's why I keep silent. And then with my 2 parrot. Again, my parrot. And that's it for today. See, very cute, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you so much for support. Salamat. God bless us all. Thank you so much. I love you guys.